I thought it was lovely. I thought it drew you in really gradually. You don't know what to expect. You know it's going to be interesting. Uh, because the performance, I knew it was called the Conference of Birds. So I knew to look for bird-like elements, I guess. What I didn't expect being in this setting was how many other elements of the natural landscape the dancers played with and made you pay attention to.
Okay.
So the wind, the waves, the waving grass, there are all of these forms in nature that the dancers were kind of enacting in a way and also playing with. But you don't know that until you're in it for a while, and it makes you pay attention to what's happening around them. You're not watching just the dancers, you're watching everything.
I like the combination of the light with the lake and the waves and how it all integrated together with the dancers.
Oh, I absolutely loved it. It really brought me back to myself and a heightened awareness of being in my body and also being connected to everything around me and the dancers. And it was just, it was so rich. It was just really rich. And I just felt like this, earth connection, sky connection, the importance of expression, watching people express, but also the freedom to interact with them and express in any way we wish.
And it was wonderfully inspiring. A word or two I remember for a while.
Very fluid and transcendent in a way.
I thought I really want to do that too, and it looks really fun.
It was so beautiful, and I feel like this is what the Aboriginals people used to do. They danced every day and expressed themselves and had this balance that I feel like so many of us don't have in our lives. So it's really brought me to think more about my life and having balance and movement. I'm now a senior citizen, so it's like I need to move, and but how I move, and how aware I am about my body and taking care of myself. But honestly, it was just a beautiful individual and group experience. I can't say enough about it. I hope that they do more. I would love to be a part of it, and I'm just very grateful that all the dancers got together and did this for all of us.